So, Mohammed Anas I will teach the subject ABS from the class 2. What is the prior knowledge? It's which of these foods were including raw fruits or vegetables, not chocolate and not chips. Milk is good for both, yes. Rice comes from animals, false. Fish only eats sweeting. Foods to healthy, that is the false. This is the prior knowledge. So, from this, what we are going to conclude? See the what are different? We will have got an idea that we have discussed about the foods. So where does this food come from? Whether it is plant-based, animal-based, and everything. So what we will do today is yes, it is nothing but the foods which we eat. Okay. So see this food we eat. Okay, so let's see the learning objective. Topic is food speed. Learning objective. Students will be able to explain various types of food and evaluate which is more balanced and nutritious. What is food with success criteria after the students learn? Sort and classify foods based on their source, plant-based or animal-based. Distinguish between healthy and unhealthy foods and describe what a balanced meals look like. Yes, what is unhealthy food? What is unhealthy food? And what is the balanced meal? And we can sort and classify foods on the food source based, that is which is coming from plant-based or the animal-based. Now see, what is the key vocabulary from this? We can understand that is yes, energy. What is energy? What is healthy food? What is the diseases? Okay, so now we eat variety of food daily. Plants are the main source of food. Yes, plants are the main source of food. We are eating variety of food. The other source of food, animals also eat many food items from animals. Okay, so we will see food from plants. We eat cereals, pulses, fruits, nuts, vegetables, fruits, vegetables, tea, coffee, and sugar from the plants. You can see the images of everything, rice, everything over here. So these are the food coming from the plants. So food from the animals. Okay, you can see the milk, the eggs, and the meat. These are the foods which we get from the animals. So food is classified into two types, that is plant-based or animal-based. Okay. So, and the three types of food: energy giving, body building, and productive food. So, what is energy giving food? Yes, energy giving food is nothing but the food which gives us energy. Body building food is which helps us to grow and make strong. Protective food protects from diseases and heals in case of any injury. Yes, you can see the potato, the fishes, carrot, and everything images over here. Now, the next thing is a balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? It's a diet which contains all kinds of proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and such kinds of things. That is called as balanced diet. You can see he is thinking, okay, what I should eat, whether I should eat this food or this food and everything. And you can see the image of the balanced diet over here. So, what is assessment for learning now? So what is the balanced diet contains? Yes, balanced diet contains energy giving food, body building food, and protective giving food, all of this. Which of these food does not come from plants? This is a homework for you students. You should do on your own. And then it is the now let's activity time. Now when we are doing this activity, if you're watching this video, we'll take a birthday plate and then take out some foods, sort out some food because it's activity based learning. Okay, so by this what happens, if you're doing something activity on your own, you will learn the concept better rather than just watching my videos. See, energy giving food, body building, and protective food. In this way, you can take out printouts or whatever printouts are available in your home, you take out of these foods and then you can stick out. It will be a fun activity for you to do in the home. Okay. So we can see the three tasks, that is sort food items. You can sort the food items. You can tell me whether it is plant food or animal food. It is a very good thing that you will get engaged into these kind of activities. So task two is a cross-curricular link. You can research the traditional food of your particular or your favorite country and then you want to see nutritional benefits and you should categorize what you can see the appropriate levels of the food pyramids. Okay, categorize the food. Healthy food pyramid, how it is. And task three, we should scan this QR code and solve the live worksheet. This is activity given to you from my side so that this will be interactive for you and you will understand the concepts in a more better way. Okay. So what a good one will look like. Okay. So you have to do self-assessment. The answer for task one, task two, and task three. You will make your answers on your own and you will then self-assess, okay, which one is correct for me, which one is not good, not an appropriate answer. Okay, in this way you can assess yourself. By assessing yourself only, doing self-assessment, it will be best because then what will happen, you will be more capable of knowing the where I went wrong and what is not right or wrong. So then it is the plenary. One thing I remember from today's lesson, write down in your book that what you understood from the lesson, what I have to learn from it. Okay. And the last one is the project-based learning. Homework for you have to collect pictures of different food items from old magazine or newspaper. Sort these pictures into three groups: energy giving, bodybuilding, and protective foods. You can paste them on chart paper, or you can take in a Word file and copy paste and label that each group and categorize by the table in the fine, and write one sentence about why it is important, why each group is important. Okay, like bodybuilding, why it is important, protective food, why it is important, energy giving food, why it is important. So this entire lesson is the student-led lesson. So you are the main over here, and then by doing all these activities, you will get a better idea about this and making such helpful videos for the students. So do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.